Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by mapping the OCR specification to study blocks. This tells you what to learn and why each topic matters. Once done, prioritize weak areas and schedule 4 topics per week with 2 past paper sessions. That makes progress measurable. Make sure to set up a simple code environment and start one small program task immediately. Practical experience cements theory. Also learn command words early, because exam answers hinge on explain versus describe. Now move into sustained, deliberate practice. Break topics into micro skills, then practice them repeatedly. For example, trace algorithms step by step and annotate time complexity so you can justify answers under pressure. Once comfortable, do 20 timed past paper questions to build stamina, mark against the scheme, and rewrite wrong answers. Make sure to polish your NEA by creating clear tests and comments. Practical coursework often scores high when documented and iterate. In the final phase, simulate exam conditions with 3 full mock papers, treat them like the real thing, and mark strictly. Once complete, focus on timing and command words so you answer exactly what examiners seek, and use short, structured templates for common question types. Make sure to get targeted feedback and convert mistakes into 5-10-minute drills. If things go wrong, isolate recurring errors and build focused mini drills until they disappear. That's the fastest recovery method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.